Now we're here in Abu Dhabi food court. Now we show you how to eat proper burger in a public place. My friend will show it to you how she eat burger in a public place. See the difference me and my friend. Watch her. She's shy because she's not yet ready. Now she's ready.
Sabi mo muna, what's my boyfriend mo?
Oh my god, my boyfriend is go. Oh, he go. Look. He leave me. Oh my god. I hit him. I broke. I will break him later.
I call him now.
I will call him now. Okay. This is show.
Ganito po yung pagkain ng burger.
English please.
No speed eh.
This is how to eat burger in a public place.
Sa'yo ba lang?
Go. That's small.
Sarap, no?
Trap. And this is me how I eat burger in a public place.
Paano?
Because me, I'm not shy. I will eat it properly. This is how to eat burger. My friend, oh.
Crazy na.
Okay, I will eat that. This is how to eat burger in a public place. This is me. Oh, the baby is so cute.
Oo, ano?
I want to eat, but so disturbing. This is so disturbing. Now I will show it to you. This is not like, I'm not shy, no. I eat what I want because I pay it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hanapin na natin yung
Look
boyfriend
at me.
There. Hanapin na natin yung boyfriend mo.
So, after, we will go and we will find my boyfriend. I don't know where he's going. He leave me.
Saan ka tumaan?
I hate him.
Ayun!
Huh? Oh my god, he come back.
Balik!
We just wait.